Hi, I'm Trisha Morris from Club Scrap, and I have a scrapbooking page kit to share with you today. This one is called Tiny Blossoms. Let's take a look at this darling collection. First, let's check out the prints you'll find in this kit. We've got 2 sheets of this sweet Tiny Blossom print, and it incorporates all the colors in the palette. And then to match that, another 2 sheets of printed blossoms. And I love that some of these look like cute little hearts in that sweet accent orange color. And then you have our 80-pound carver weight color palette here. And you'll find 3 sheets of this darker pink, a sheet of soft white with a lovely felt finish, 3 sheets of this linen-like textured Seafoam, 3 sheets of light pink, and 2 sheets of Aqua. I love that our kits always include a super easy way for you to finish up your pages. Trim apart the cut aparts, and I'll help you do that in the workshop video, and you'll have everything you need to add your borders, your anchoring strips, images that match the collection, plus your journaling prompts. Everything's there to get those layouts done in a snap. Our kits also include coordinating ribbons. This time we have a perfectly matched double-faced Aqua satin, a yard of this really smooth, silky Seafoam, and a yard of this dark pink checked ribbon. We'll also embellish our pages with 2 of these Aqua mini sleeves, 3 cute fabric flowers, and you'll even get a fun package of sequin confetti. Now here at Club Scrap, we've been creating kits for 26 years, and one of the things you really wanted was help with figuring out how to use everything that comes in the box to turn it into pages. And we have that help for you in the form of our downloadable and printable instructions. So simply grab that document and you can follow along with the extremely detailed trimming instructions. I have every step and measurement laid out for you, and you'll see an ingredient list and images of every layout you can make. Now, if you're like me and you're not really a fan of reading instructions, you can skip that part and just follow along with my video workshop. I'll guide you through every single cut and all of that assembly. And in the end, you'll have nothing left to store or organize in your valued crafting space. I'm sure there are 1,000 ways to assemble the pages. This is just one of them, and this is the result you'll have if you follow along with me. Layouts 1 and 2, of course, are incorporating all of the papers, some of the prints, the goodies, the ribbons. It's all there to help you finish those pages and get your memories recorded. This is another fun page where I used that little mini sleeve and created a tag to fit inside, and you're gonna love all these coordinating colors. Here again, I'm using those sweet little sequins. You got your journaling prompts. Look how these border strips from the cut aparts really anchor everything down and arrange it beautifully on the page. I'll always show you the best layout design principles in these finished pages and guide the way, but of course the options for using your page kit are endless. Well, I hope you pick up this Tiny Treasures page kit from Club Scrap. We'll have a great time assembling these pages together, and I look forward to seeing what you think. See you in class.